Hello everyone. In order to participate to this Mid-Yield Human Guilds challenge that we have launched last Friday, 2nd of September, and you need to vote for your favorite game project. So the first step is to go to midyield.app and click on projects to vote. There you have the list of projects that are candidate for a fundraising campaign initially backed with 20,000 STNIR. Once you have gone through the different profiles of the projects participating in that challenge, and you know for which one you want to vote, you basically pick your project and click on Vote Now. You will get to the profile page of the project, and in the right side of the window, you will see how many votes has the projects already received, as well as the possibility to vote here with this little box and your voting power. If I click on use max, nothing happens because I don't have any voting power. The same goes if I click on vote. So basically why is that? Is because I don't have any voting power. As you can see, availability is 0. So in order to be able to vote for that project, I need to get some voting power beforehand. I click on voting power, and this takes me to the MetaVote platform, which handles all the voting processes uh, for that matter. And what you have to do here is, because you don't have available voting power, you need to click on Add Voting Power. This will enables you to lock meta tokens that you have in your wallet in order to gain that voting power and then attribute it or cast it for a specific project. In case you don't have meta token, you need to get to meta token. So just click on Get More Meta here. This will take you to Ref Finance, where you can swap whatever tokens you have for some meta. Luckily, I have some meta token in my wallet, as you can see here, 12.2139. So it's not going to be a problem for me to add some voting power. I click on Add Voting Power, and I can decide how many meta I'm ready to log. So let's say I'm going to log 1 meta. If I lock it for 30 days, my voting power is 1. But I can decide to lock it for a longer period, up to 300 days, and you can increment the period in 15 days. So let's say I'm going to lock it for 90 days. I'm going to get 1.88889 voting power available. I'm going to click lock. Of course, you need to validate your transaction. While approve it, pay a very small fee. As you can see, thank you Near Particle for that. Transaction successful, and so now I have 1.8889 voting power, which I'm going to be able to allocate to the project of my preference. So let's go back to midyields.app. Obviously, you need to refresh the page you were on, otherwise it won't know that you have voting power in your wallet. So if I click use max now, as you can see, you will see that my maximum voting power that I just managed to obtain on the MetaVote platform is available here. But I'm going to cast a vote here for 1 voting power equivalent. So I just enter 1, click vote, and that will be allocated to Waka in that example. I still need to approve the transaction. And I am back here, and you can see that now my vote is 3 allocated to Waka. It was 2 beforehand. It is 3. I still have some voting power available. I have used so much, 14.89, and I still have 1 available. Well, roughly 1 available. And I am back here, and you can see that now my vote is 3 allocated to Waka. It was two beforehand. It is three. I still have some voting power available. I have used so much 14.89 and I still have one available. Well, roughly one available.